So are you getting hate comments, or like you getting like those comments from haters? I'm gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna say that it's like a gold mine, because you can take so much out of it. But before that, before to getting to that point, I want to share 3 comments that I got in my channel. It's not huge, but I want to start from the beginning. I don't want to lose any bad comment. I want to share it with you. So the first one is this video is shit. So it's fine. I agree with this guy. If he doesn't like my content, perfect, he can give a comment. That's fine. Next one, you're an animal. So I don't know if that's a bad comment or a good comment. Next one, sorry, I was gonna say it in Spanish. I hated this video. This guy talks too much, and his voice is like, he talks like an idiot. And I also agree with this girl. Couple times some people have told me that my voice is not good. And even in my country, when I had a job interview, the guys that I had the interview with told me that my voice wasn't good enough for the position. So that comment stuck into my mind, and I've been carrying it since then. But my goal right now is to share something, my thoughts about this, because if you think about like these comments and they stop you, you're not gonna do anything in life. Like you cannot do a YouTube channel, you cannot do anything. And I mean, like, I don't speak well. I'm also short. Like, I have a lot of things to talk about in a bad way, but I don't really care. And I'm so thankful for all these people that gave me bad comments, because there's some YouTubers that get these bad comments and they create content like I'm doing it right now. So from now on, I'm gonna share all the bad comments in this channel. And also there's other kind of YouTubers who stop making content because of the bad comments. And it is actually a gold mine, because if you monetize your channel, you can actually make money out of it. Like, if they give you bad comments and you make videos about it, you make money. And also, one more thing, YouTube doesn't know if you're getting bad comments or good comments. The only thing that YouTube knows is that you're getting comments. And that's good, because it positions your channel even more. YouTube says, oh, this guy is getting interaction, he's getting comments. But YouTube doesn't know that you're getting hating comments. So YouTube is gonna promote your channel even more. So to finish up, if you're not perfect, just do your thing. Create videos, fine. And if you're a hater, and if you wanna give bad comments are more than welcome. So I can create more content and make videos about bad comments. And also, I have to mention and be thankful for all the people that are been commenting my channels in a very good way. They say that my videos are helpful. I explain things well. I'm trying to do my best. I'm not professional, but I'm gonna say thanks to all of you guys. I'm about to poop my pants. Casey Neistat is right there, and I'm gonna ask him for a selfie, a quick selfie. Hi Casey, can I have a selfie with you? Last time I saw you, I was so nervous that I actually forgot about it.
Crazy.